Today we are going to recharge the AC system on a 2006 Ford Escape. It is currently 70 degrees outside and I have the AC blasting, and I'm only getting about 65 degrees. So I'm only getting a 5-degree difference from the outside temperature to the inside temperature. Before you attempt to recharge your AC, read the instructions. You do have to have your car on and your temperature to cold, your AC to max, and now you're ready to start the recharge. You will need a can of R134 and the hose that it came with. So you attach the hose and check the pressure. Mine is on the low side, so I will, after you checked the pressure, when you're ready to attach the hose, find the port. There's usually two. One will be a low side and one will be a high side. We are looking for the low side, which it will be the only place that this fits. So don't be afraid if you try and it doesn't fit. It's most likely the other one. You just pull and push and then release. See? Pull, push, release. And then it'll give you a reading. After you attached your hose and checked your gauge, shake it up and then just attach it to the hose. And now you just press. While shaking the can. Make sure you don't overfill, or else you can have some problems with the AC. Once we are done, we unplug the hose. We replace the cap, close it up, and then we check on the inside to see the difference. And now we're checking the temperature after the recharge. So right now, every notch is 4 degrees. So I have it at 48 degrees and we started at 68. That gives us a difference of 20 degrees just from the recharge kit. So I'm pretty satisfied with this. Believe this was successful. Now if you recharge your AC system and it doesn't hold for that long, it starts getting warmer like the next day or within the week, you might have a leak in your system. You will have to take that to a shop to have it diagnosed and fixed. Thanks for watching and see you next time.